Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're comparing two powerful mental health and wellness apps, Liven app and Daylio. Both help you improve well-being, but they do it in very different ways. Let's see which one fits your lifestyle best. While chasing after finance and doing everything you can to make money, you should also do everything you can to be healthy. So today, Twoguysfinance channel is concentrating on apps you can use and platforms you can use to stay healthy that are good for your mental health and wellness. So we're looking at Liven app and Daylio. Let's start with your main focus. Liven app focuses on AI-powered mental health support, while Daylio focuses on mood tracking and journaling. When we look at the main focus, Liven app has AI-powered mental health support. When we look at ease of use, Liven app has chat-based AI wellness coach, while Daylio has tap-based mood logging and statistics. When we look at their key strengths, they have personalized mood check-ins, stress advice, and wellness nudges. When we look at Daylio, it has long-term mood tracking, habit tracking, and journaling. When we look at the price, Liven app has a free plan plus affordable premium plans, while Daylio has a free basic plan plus premium subscription. Then we look at what they are best for. Liven app is best for daily support and quick AI guidance, while Daylio is best for people who like self-reflection and data trends. Lastly, let's look at the output. Liven app has conversations, wellness tips, and AI sites, while Daylio gives you charts, mood diaries, and head starts. In conclusion, Liven app works like a supportive AI body, which is checking in with you, with your mood, offering stress relief tips, and giving instant wellness advice. Daylio, on the other hand, is more of a self-reflection tool, letting you track your moods, habits, and journaling over time to see patterns. So if you want real-time AI support and daily mental health check-ins, Liven app is the way to go. But if you prefer tracking your emotions and building long-term habits, then Daylio is a perfect fit. Which one would you use in 2025? Give it a try and tell us in the comment section.